Hey folks, welcome back to Vert Der Ferk, the channel where a mid-40s Canadian guy with too many cookbooks tries to make sense of them one recipe at a time.
All right, so in today's episode, we randomly selected another book, which was super kind of weird because it picked Yum and Yummer. And why that's so weird is that last week we did a recipe from the Looney Spoons book, which was two Canadian sisters that kind of worked together. Well, this was the solo book put out by one of those sisters. And again, focusing on healthy cooking and kind of nutrition-based comfort food. And then we did another random selection to try to select the recipe. And it's one that I've cooked here for my family before, and that was the Mucho Yummy Beef Bowlrito is what we're going to take on here today. Essentially just like a deconstructed burrito that you're going to make in a bowl. Nothing too wild looking at the recipe. It's very easy to make the base, and really what sets this apart is just how you want to top it and what you want to put into it. So we're going to try it out with everything they recommend in the book. So like a fully loaded, and we'll see how it turns out.
Ground beef, onions, garlic, ketchup, water, taco seasoning. Brown rice, lime juice, cilantro, lime zest. Toppings I used: corn, black beans, salsa guacamole, sour cream, shredded cheese, chopped green onions, cilantro.
Okay, so we've made the beef burrito, and as you can see, really what sets this apart more than anything else, or the star of it, is just kind of what you want to top it with, just like any good taco night at home, so to speak. It is kind of neat because you have to make your own taco seasoning or buy a store-bought. We made our own, and it turned out very, very well. So really depends on your likes and dislikes, so nothing too crazy, but a very quick and easy way just to make a staple that like the kids and anybody, even the pickiest of eaters, can make it exactly as they want to. So thumbs up.